Hey, learning how to integrate DailyBot with Microsoft Teams. Find out how to do so in under 2 minutes. The quickest way is going through dailybot.com. The browser will prompt you to open the Teams app, from where you'll be taken to the app directory to install your new chatbot. Once you're there, click the Add button. In the new chat, you'll receive a welcome message indicating that the bot was installed. The Setup Now button will now take you to DailyBot's web app, where you can fill out your team's basic details and expectations for the product. Before you save all your progress, invite new members from your team to DailyBot so they can also take advantage of the bot for their daily operations. That's it. Your team's workspace is now integrated with DailyBot. Another quick way to integrate the bot with Microsoft Teams is through the Teams app. You can do so by going through the app directory in your Teams workspace to search DailyBot by name. Clicking DailyBot will open a new page where you select Add to a Team. You can find this option next to the Open button. Now select the team where your teammates and channels live to confirm your choice. This last step is extra important as the bot will use this team to search for new people or reporting channels later on.